What's up guys, Julian here, and today we're going to talk about space. So, where does space start? Space starts 500 kilometers above my head, right after the thermosphere, which is the last layer of the atmosphere. Now, space is very empty. You know, between the stars, you got some dust particles, you got some gases, you got the planets, of course. But other than that, there's nothing there. It's just open space. Space is also very large. It's ginormous, actually. And Proxima Centauri, which is the closest star to our sun, is located trillions of kilometers away. Alright guys, so the first main thing we're going to talk about is the universal law of gravity. Now, what is that? Well, let's drop this bat and find out. If I drop this bat, will it go up or down? For those of you who said down, you're correct. So, the reason for that is the universal law of gravity, which is how when one mass attracts another mass, in this case the Earth attracted this bat, and this applies to every object in the universe. That's why it's called the universal law of gravity. That's why the moon orbits around the Earth. That's why the planets orbit around the sun, because the sun attracts them. So yeah. Alright guys, now that we know what the universal law of gravity is, let's talk about the two rules that go along with it. Number one, the bigger the mass, the bigger the force of gravity is. For example, this tiny little pink castle, although it technically attracts me, I don't feel anything because it's so dang small. To see the effect of gravity, we have to look at really big objects. So I have the Earth. I also have Baby Johnny because I couldn't find the moon. So the Earth is really big, and so it attracts Baby Johnny, and that's why Baby Johnny orbits around the Earth. But let's say the Earth was even bigger. Let's say it was this big. Then the force of attraction will also be greater. Also, rule number two, the closer two objects are, the greater the force of attraction is.
Oh.
Sorry, just making a space video. Oh, there you guys are. Alright, so now let's talk about the solar system. So the solar system was born around 4.6 billion years ago, and it used to be a swirling cluster of dust and gas, but then one day, the matter at the center of that cluster turned into the sun, and the matter around it turned into the planets, asteroids, and comets, you name it. And so the solar system today is defined by the 8 planets and all the other celestial bodies that orbit around the sun. So now, and this brings us to the sun. The sun lies at the center of the solar system and makes up 98% of all the mass in the solar system. It's made up of helium and hydrogen, which act as fuel for nuclear reactions. These reactions produce a lot of energy, and that's why the sun is so hot. Actually, its center is 15 million degrees Celsius. So yeah. Alright, space experts, it's time to conclude this video by asking you guys some questions to test your knowledge. So, I'm going to choose someone, and they're going to have to answer my question. Let's see now. How about you? Yeah, you in the back, in the corner, with the cool hair? Answer this. What law is responsible for Earth attracting the moon? Pause the video, give them a chance. And the answer is the universal law of gravity. Question 2. Let's see. How about you? Yeah, you in the middle, with the shoes? Try this. What 2 elements is the sun primarily made up of? Pause the video. And the answer is hydrogen and helium. Let's see. How about you? Yeah, you in the front with the shirt? Yeah, try this one. How many years ago was the solar system born? Pause the video. And the answer is 4.6 billion years ago. Well, yeah, that concludes this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. See ya.